In this video, I'm going to show you some of the stunning roadside views of Sweden countryside travel. Come, let's go. As I said in the earlier video, Sweden is one of the most beautiful and happiest country with stunning nature. It is blessed with serene charm and combined with natural forests and islands. It's a wonderful place to stay with kind people. Here the interesting thing is, when we travel to the countryside, the landscapes and the views of each and every side of the road is an amazing experience. We can see many natural forests, waterways, cultivable lands, cows, horses, hills, rocks and the beautiful houses surrounded by greenery. We cannot take our eyes back or sleep even if you are tired. The nature attracts us so much. When I see the beauties of the nature, I feel like nature is the best combination. It has one sort of magical aura and is the most beautiful art in the world. There is no words to describe, but definitely there is something to feel. Nature is always trying to give us something, so let us save the nature. It will definitely save us.